In the recent times, you would have heard a lot of news that a lot of people are attempting suicide. What could be the cause behind it? Let's find out. According to neuro-linguistic programming, there was an experiment conducted throughout the world from a very large number of people. This experiment gave an idea of how the brain reacts. Now we're going to do that experiment with all of us. I'm going to show you a picture and I want you to observe it very carefully. In that picture, there are red spots, red images, red objects that you're going to see. I want you to take time and observe it very clearly, very sharply. And when you do that, try to remember all the images and you will have a time span of 20 seconds. Let's see how you'll do. And now I want you to name at least 10 blue things. It's hard, right? Of course it is, because when we give a task to our brain to focus on one thing, it will only focus on that red thing and everything else becomes gray. In real life also it is like that. When we give a task to our brain to focus on one thing, maybe a problem, when we say our brain to focus on the problem, we might not say it by words. Even by our thoughts, if our brain gets to know that we are focusing on one thing, it will only focus on that thing and everything else will become gray. If you ask a person who is going through depression, he will tell that nobody loves him. But there are people in his life who actually love him, who actually care about him. But his focus is not on them. His focus is actually on that one person who does not love him, or that one company who is not accepting him. There will be one incident that is hurting him. And because of that, he will be feeling like everything else is on that red color. His mind is focused only on the problems, only on the things that is hurting him. And the brain is very good at its functioning. Brain has no problem. It is how it's supposed to be working. See, there are problems and there are solutions. Where we put our focus on, it will magnify. It will exalt itself. If we put our focus on problems, it will increase. And if we put our focus on solutions, that will increase. If you look at people who love you, you will be surprised to see that you are surrounded with people who actually love and care about you. I want to give you an example of a person who has inspired many lives. It's not like he didn't have problems in his life, but he has been an inspiration, a motivation to a lot of people around the world. I'm sure you know him. He is Nick Vujicic. He is one of the best authors and speakers who has inspired me personally a lot. He was born without limbs. He had no arms, he had no legs. When he was born, it was very difficult for his parents to accept him. His mom, when he first saw the child, she was devastated. He writes in his book that she was not able to see him. She told the doctors to take him away. He literally wrote it in his book. And I know what kind of pain he must have gone through to be not accepted by his parents at his birth at least. It must be difficult for his parents too. But he didn't focus on that. He focused on how to get out of it. He focused on all the solutions that is there to his life. He is now a swimmer, a writer, an inspirational, motivational speaker. All this is possible because he focused on solutions. He can swim. Can you imagine a guy without arms, without legs swimming? Life is full of surprises when you focus on solutions. Focus on solutions and it will increase. It increased in his life. He is full of compassion, full of love. Wherever he goes, he inspires and motivates people. How is it possible? Because he focused on solutions. If you're feeling down today, if your focus is on the problems, on how to get out of the problems, don't worry. Shift your focus to the solution. Shift your attention. Give your mind a task to focus on the solution and you will be surprised to see that you're filled with so many possibilities. So many possibilities of solutions to come out, to be a better person, to do good. I hope this video has helped you, has motivated you, has encouraged you to do better in life, to focus on the solutions. Thank you for watching. Hey, if you like this video, then hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and for more awesome contents, ring that bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.